Welcome to the AWS Advanced for Developers course. I am Nitin Patil, the founder of Cloud9 Apps, where we build apps and online courses in the areas of cloud computing, DevOps, smart home, mobile, and WordPress. I have worked as an architect and developer for several years on cloud deployments and building applications on top of AWS. With this course, my goal is to give you a practical and hands-on experience in designing, developing, and deploying applications on AWS. Here is a quick overview of the course.
This course has 4 major goals. Firstly, it will cover how to get started with AWS with a real application. We will take a multi-tier web application and walk through the initial AWS setup to prepare for the application deployment. Secondly, we'll deep dive into commonly used AWS services and use these as part of our application deployment. Third, we'll delve into managing application lifecycle on AWS from initial setup to updates. As part of this, we'll also cover different deployment scenarios like deploying development stack and deploying QA stack. Fourth, we will discuss various best practices for AWS deployments, from application design and development to security and cost optimization. Note that this course focuses on a practical approach to design, develop, and deploy applications on AWS. It is not geared towards any specific certification.